Live from the world's capital markets. Here with the financial headlines. Brought you by Snap-Zed Universe.
Hello and welcome. Today's financial review. Here's world's making the headlines in the markets today.
Gold price forecast EURUSD stretches range-bound auction below $1,880 ahead of U.S. inflation. Gold price has continued to trade sideways further around $1,880 as the focus has shifted to U.S. inflation data. Only a stronger than expected U.S. CPI would avoid a slide to fresh lows for the USD index. Lower wage inflation and weaker PMI numbers have forced Fed policymakers to revise their viewpoint on policy projections. GBPUSD steadies around mid-1.2100s as market braces for softer U.S. inflation. GBPUSD remains sidelined after snapping two-day uptrend the previous day, picks up bids of late. Cautious optimism allows cable buyers to retake control ahead of the US CPI. UK, Japan brace for defense agreement, British PM praises healthcare conditions despite workers' strikes. Risk catalysts could entertain traders ahead of inflation data. EURUSD price analysis grinds higher past 1.0710 support confluence. EURUSD picks up bids to reverse the previous day's pullback inside weekly rectangle formation. Short-term ascending trendline, bull cross keeps buyers hopeful amid firmer RSI. Late December top adds to the downside filters. USDJPY bulls approach mid-132.00s despite downbeat US Treasury yields. USDJPY prints mild gains to defend the previous day's recovery amid a sluggish session. Yen fails to cheer upbeat signals from Japanese policymakers as cautious traders prefer US dollar. US inflation is the key to watch for clear directions after central bankers failed to guide markets. Today's important news.
We have enjoyed today's markets outlet. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Make sure to join us tomorrow morning with the latest news and events from the financial markets.